Welcome, friends. San Jose International Airport on our way to Austin Bergstrom International. It has got two parallel runways named 12L and 12R, and it has two terminals, Terminal A and Terminal B. The taxiway supports aircraft movement from both the runways, and today we take off from runway 12L, and after takeoff you see a view exactly like this. Terminal B has got 20 gates, gates 17 through 36, and Terminal A has got 16 gates, 1 to 16, and the gates between 15, 16, 17, 18 support international arrival departures. We board from gate 20 today, and while we are boarding we see some aircraft taking off. San Jose is a hub for Southwest. They fly to many destinations from here non-stop. Some great views while we are waiting for the pushback, takeoff and arrivals. Enjoy it till the announcement comes. This video has chapters for easy navigation within the video. Please see the description for the chapter names and the start of those chapters. You can also skip to any chapter randomly, and also the progress line will display the chapter names when you do it. Finally, the pushback. We're now taxiing towards the head of the runway 12L30R. As I mentioned earlier, that there are two runways, 12L30R and 12R30L. Then we make a U-turn, and then engine rev up and fly down the runway. So brace yourself for some excellent views of the terminal. You can now see the terminal building on your right as we climb up into the air. That's the Terminal B where we departed from, and that's the runway marking, and that's the Terminal A. After we are airborne, we take a complete turn and then we'll see the runway parallel ahead of us shortly. And there it is. There you can see the San Jose International Airport. A wonderful view. Now we're almost flying parallel to the airport, and then you can see the runways and the terminal buildings. So we again make a left turn and then we cross the Sierra Nevada mountains and then fly east towards Austin, Texas. After some time we'll start the descent towards the beautiful city of Austin, the hill country, and join you again soon. We have started our descent towards Austin Bergstrom International Airport, and you can see the Colorado River winding down onto the valley and mountains of the Austin. The Colorado River adds beauty to Austin. You have the Austin Lake, the Lady Bird Walk, and so many attractions around the lake, a lot of restaurants and eating places. And Austin is now becoming the Silicon Valley of Texas. Many of the tech companies are moving in large scale to Austin, Texas. The recent one is the lock, stock and barrel movement of Tesla from California to Austin, Texas. Last year, Apple bought a very large size of land for development and housing of almost 30,000 people in Austin, Texas. So it's going very fast. Prices of properties are rocketing, and it's a very livable place. That's the beauty of Austin. You have everything of California, but not that mad rush that you have in California. Well, we are on our final descent. The sun is unfortunately on the wrong side. Now you can see the Austin downtown. Enjoy your descent and the great views of the city of Austin as we approach our runway. The final descent path to Austin Bergstrom International. Austin Bergstrom has got two runways, 17L35R and 17R35L. And today we would be landing on 17R35L, which is the longest of the two runways, 12,250 feet. The other one, 17L35R, is 9,000 feet. As of now, there is only one main terminal, which is called the Barbara Jordan Terminal. This video has chapters for easy navigation within the video. Please see the description for the chapter names and the start of those chapters. You can also skip to any chapter randomly, and also the progress line will display the chapter names to it. We are touchdown now. And today we landed on runway 17R35L, as I mentioned earlier, and you will shortly see, yes, there the marker 17R35L, the runway we landed on. We're taxiing towards the Barbara Jordan Terminal. Only one terminal, and that's undergoing expansion now. One of the unique things about Austin Bergstrom International is that you have an open air patio just above the gates 2, 3, 4, where the international departures and arrivals take place. And it's an open air patio, and from there you can have a wonderful view of departing, taking off and landing planes, and also planes taxiing off on runway 17L35R. It overlooks the other runway 17L35R on the south side of Austin Bergstrom International Airport. We have now arrived at the gates, and we see the baggage being taken from the flight. So the baggage should be there by the time we get on to the baggage belts. There we are, waiting for the baggage to come, pick up the baggage and go home. Hope you like this compilation. Subscribe to my channel and stay safe during the coronavirus days. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. Please share your comments, and I would appreciate your comments on this video, what else I could have done, and thank you.